Hello there, my artisan friends, and it's been a while that we've looked at a package, but this is actually a package of my own, which I created about a year ago. It already has, yes, 53,000 downloads, and so I thought, yeah, I need to review this even though it's my own package. It's Laravel VAT number checker, which is using the European Commission API on VAT numbers called the VIES API. And I use it in a lot of projects. So basically, we can check the validity of a VAT number, and we can get the company name and the company address or the raw instance in a function with two parameters or just in a single parameter method. There's also a validation rule, but well, let's quickly install that, right? So first of all, I'm going to composer require spatie laravel array because I don't have it installed yet, and I want to use it. So that's installing. Let's quickly head over to the application. Yes, okay, there we go. And now I want composer require burtds. Yes, that's me. Laravel VAT number checker. There we go. This is installing the latest version of, there you go, that's version 1.0.5. And we can start using it. All right, so I also want a command php artisan make command test command. There we go. Okay, so this created a test command over here. There we go. Test command, great. So what I want to do, I want to create a random VAT number, which is no, this is my Vulpo VAT number. So Vulpo VAT, there we go, and random VAT, and I want this to be like that. All right, great. So what I want to do here is I want to, yes, this autopilot thing, I really don't like it. Okay, so VAT checker, which is using burtds VAT checker facade. All right, I want to check if is fake or is valid. What was it called? I don't remember. Oh my god. Is VAT valid? That was it. So is VAT valid, and I want the Vulpo VAT to be checked. All right, there we go. And I want to store this in result. There we go. And I want to call Ray to just tell me, hey, Ray, no result. Is the result valid or not? So let's open array. There we go. And I want Ray to be, where is my thing? Here it is. Ray over there, warp over there. There we go. And I want to just php artisan, what was it? App test command. There we go. Yes, the answer is true because the validity of the given VAT number is true. Let me blow this up a little bit as well. But what if we use the random VAT? This will actually throw an exception, right? So this will throw an exception saying, hey, where is it? Hey, given VAT number, blah, 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 not found, is invalid. All right. So this is throwing an exception because it is not valid. So let's continue with the Vulpo VAT, and I want to get the company name. So I know that my company name is Vulpo, but how is it called in the VIES database? So let's go and check that out. So let's go, and it's indeed a BV Vulpo, which is the real company name. We can also check the address, which is get company address, and eventually we can also run the same thing for, so that's Brussels Steenweg 81 in 9,230 Wetteren in Belgium. But we can also get the raw value of that, which is get VAT instance, get raw VAT instance, which is returning the whole thing. It's basically a JSON object telling us the country code is BE, the VAT number is the number that we gave. It was checked on some date. The validity is true, and this is the name, this is the address, and we also have a trader stuff, and it's not processed because I'm not a trader, right? So a lot of things are going on behind the scenes, but with this package we can actually check the validity of a VAT number. And I'm not going to set up a form right now, but there is a validation rule that I added to the package, which allows you to just check in your validate of your form, hey, it's required and it needs to be a valid VAT number to process the form. So I hope you learned something from this. I hope you play around with the package. If you want to add some stuff to it, feel free to add it, and I will gladly check out your pull request. Give it a star, give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in one of the next videos. Take care and see you around. Bye bye.